Good afternoon from Italy. We are Team Eat4Self and we are on a mission. A mission to transform millions of people who has diabetes to manage their condition. Inspired by my mom who has diabetes, we're excited to introduce Eat4Self, a fantastic AI-powered app designed to manage diabetes easy and more effective.
With our help, anyone living with diabetes can take a photo of their food and the AI will generate nutrition information and advice, just like this.
But that's not all. They can take a picture and input their glucose level, provide healthy recipe, and also provide advice for a person with diabetes.
Oh wait, we believe in the power of physical activity. That's why we have implemented the pedometer functionality. So for every single 100 steps, user will earn 10 points. Want to see a demonstration?
You can check your position in a global ranking based on the points that you earned from working. For example, like this.
We also created a community chat feature where users can share their location to others, create a working community, and also encouraging others to work together and to share their experiences.
In the case of emergencies, user can send a preset message via WhatsApp to alert their contacts, just like this. Or you can even set your medication reminder.
As we stand here today, part of the AI Global Hackathon,
We're excited for the future.
And for the impact Eat4Self will have on the world and beyond.